Hello everyone, hope you guys are having a great time. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to smoothly shift the gears while riding a motorcycle. So guys, first let's learn the gears pattern on your motorcycle. So guys, you can see here it shows the gear patterns of my motorcycle. So guys, it's basically located somewhere near around your gear. So you can see here on my motorcycle there is first at the bottom, and then neutral is on the up, and then it's second and third and fourth and so on. If you push the gear lever completely down, you will be on first gear, and if you pull your gear up, then you will be on neutral, and if you pull again, and then you will be on second gear, and so on. So guys, most of the motorcycle have similar type of gear pattern. First will be on the bottom, and then if you pull up, you will be in neutral, and then pull up, then you will go into second gear, and so on. So if you guys want to engage the first gear, then you need to push this gear completely down, and you will be on first gear. So guys, now let's learn to ride a motorcycle. So before starting the motorcycle, make sure that your motorcycle is in neutral. You can know that your motorcycle is in neutral by looking at the light on the neutral icon here. You can see the light is glowing, means your motorcycle is in neutral. So press the clutch, start the motorcycle, and put your motorcycle in first gear, means you need to downshift the gear like this. So guys, the main trick to move your motorcycle forward smoothly is to slowly release the clutch, and at the same time gently giving a throttle. I will show you by riding. Slowly release the clutch, and then gently give a throttle. Slowly release the clutch. Don't release the clutch too fast, and slowly your motorcycle will move forward. So guys, I will show you once again. Slowly release the clutch, gently give a throttle. Slowly release the clutch and gently give a throttle. Your motorcycle will move forward smoothly. So guys, now I will show you the main problems of the new learners. So guys, the new learners, what they do is they release the clutch too fast. If you release your clutch too fast, then you will start. I will show you. So you guys have seen that till the half point I release the clutch slowly, and after that I release the clutch suddenly, then the motorcycle is stalled. Slowly release the clutch, gently give a throttle, and your motorcycle will move forward. So guys, now I will show you how to shift from first to second. So now the motorcycle is in first gear. Before shifting into second, increase the speed of the motorcycle a little bit, and then release the throttle and press the clutch and pull the gear up. Now the motorcycle is in second gear. Now I am riding in second gear, so I will shift into third, release the throttle, press the clutch, pull the gear up, and slowly release the clutch, and now I am on third gear. Now I will shift into fourth, increase speed little bit, and then release the throttle, press the clutch, pull the gear up, slowly release the clutch, and now I am on fourth gear. So guys, this is how you upshift the gears. Now I will show you how to downshift. So in order to downshift, the process is the same. You release the throttle and press the gear down like this, and you will hear clicking sound. Now I am in third gear. So guys, while downshifting, make sure that you release the clutch very slowly. If you release the clutch too fast, then you will have very jerky shifting. So guys, now I will show you what happens if you guys release the clutch too fast while downshifting. So now I am riding in fourth gear. I will downshift into third, and I will release the clutch too fast. You guys can see that jerky feeling by shifting the gears. So if you guys are downshifting, then you release the clutch very slowly. Now I am riding in fourth gear. I will release the throttle, press the clutch, and shift the gear up to fifth, and slowly release the clutch, and now I am in fifth gear. So I will downshift to fourth and slowly release the clutch. Again I will downshift to third, slowly release the clutch. Now I am riding in third gear, and now I will offshift to fourth. I will release the throttle, press the clutch, shift the gear up and slowly release the clutch, and now I'm on fourth gear. So guys, this is how you shift gears while riding a motorcycle. Hope you guys learned something from this video. If you guys did, don't forget to like the video, and if you guys are new here, consider subscribing. Here I'll be uploading videos related to driving tips, tricks, cars and motorcycles. Thank you so much for watching. Ride safe and take care.